Alrighty, man. Sharp Customs. We're rolling. We're back. Look, we got the Goldzilla. That's the name I'm sticking with. You can call it whatever you want. The Golden Rod, you know, Gold Rush. It doesn't matter. It's all gold. Finally got it painted. I'm gonna pop the body off. Yeah, let the camera get all the detail. Yeah, that dog in the background you hear barking, that's my asshole dog. That's Mad Max. Because he can kind of see us from across the street. I'm going to pop the body off. So, we've got the Sharp Customs sheet metal made 34 chassis. We have a Rayco gearbox. We have a 30.5 cc TIT racing engine. It's like a Zenoa clone. We got the fuel cell half full of fuel. We've got the 3D printed Hemi. You know, all the other custom drivetrain that I made to make these wheels work with the rear end. We got 6-inch dog bone axles. We've got the straight axle up front. We've got some 3D printed headlights. We've got the bent tapered grill that I airbrushed up. And we got a set of, you know, Rayco Jackrabbit buggy front wheels. Everything's been blacked out. That was a weird color, other than I forgot to do these rear rods, the stabilizer rods. I'm going to choke it. I'm going to start it. We're going to run it. And we're going to see how it goes, man. This is his Maiden with the kind of finished, I guess you could say. I'm going to plug in my radio. Go. We should have juice. Maybe I should have. Yeah. We got brakes. We got throttle. Steering seems a little slow, but that's okay. Let's give her a shot. That's what I like to hear. Because I've got a 6,000 RPM clutch in it on that 30.5 cc. But it's working pretty good. You just got to get the RPM up there to get her rolling. good on it. Let's take her down the bottom and do a speed run. She still looks sweet. Let's go the other way. Another speed run. Donut King, I can tell you right now. Those big wheels got a lot of grip. There you have it. I think maybe got the blower. I think maybe what's going on here, these we might have some body rub here. We're a little close to this size. I'm not sure what's going on there, but not bad for its maiden. I can see some smoke coming out. Maybe the clutch. Maybe we, I'm thinking maybe we need to change the clutch. We need to back her down to, you know, 2,500, 3,000 RPM clutch. Let's see. This is a fresh motor. Not sure. Everything looks good. I don't know why she crapped out. Maybe she's hot. She's warm, but that's, you know, that's pretty normal. Let's see if we can fire it again. Sounds okay. Well, we've got the muffler coming off. We have no drive. We basically lost the drive. I'm gonna say we cooked the clutch.
Smells like it.
Yeah, we cooked the clutch, but you know, clutches I have. Ow, that bolt off the exhaust is super hot. It's super hot. I'm not even gonna try and put it back on. I'm gonna put it in my pocket, and I think what we'll do is we'll gather up the bits and pieces. Obviously, you know, the blower come unglued, which is unfortunate. I see something down there. I'm not sure if it's part of the car. We will gather up the bits and pieces, but not bad for its, you know, it's kind of its debut. I'm still thinking the primal slicks on this, because these tires here are so, they're so soft and grippy. Yeah, probably down there where it was a little bit wet. I was trying to get into that water down there. As you've seen, when I roasted it down there the one time, I almost actually backed it into the wall when I spun it around. But overall, it's a pretty quick little hot rod, and it looks awesome. I'll get this glued back on a little better. Normally what I do is I drill holes, you know, in the plastics when I put the epoxy down. Obviously, I didn't drill holes on this one, and that usually holds it a little better. But yeah, we'll get that back down there. Yes, I have a servo wire here for the butterflies. I did not have that hooked up to the throttle mechanism, but the majority of it held together. Pretty sure we burned the clutch out of it, which was a brand new clutch, like on that motor. But you know what? We'll take it back to Sharp Customs headquarters, and we'll figure it out, and maybe you'll see it out again in another video. Maybe I'll get a even bigger motor for it to make it go faster, or I'm gonna change the rear tires, maybe go to a smaller tire and see how it performs. But there you have it, man. You got to see it on its maiden voyage, all clean, painted. Till the next video, man. Subscribe, share, like, don't forget to comment, and peace. I'm out.